আজ আমি আপনাদেরকে একটু এক্সেপশনাল একটা লেসন শেখাচ্ছি। মিন্স উইথ থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার, মানে ইউ ক্যান সে অ্যাবাউট ইউর সেলফ ইফ ইউ নো, বাট ইউ ক্যান নট সে অ্যাবাউট উইথ থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার, সাজেস্ট ইউর মম, ইউর papa, your brother, your sister. You cannot say because you have to use this yes or yes with third person singular. So when you try to say with someone, in the meantime you forget all things, but if you practice properly again and again, I think you will be able to say with third person singular. Means, what does your mom do every day? I have given you like yourself, but you have to read with patience. If you don't read with patience, you will not be able to learn. You will not be able to speak. You will not be able to write. After reading this, you will read your lesson and you will write your lesson. Then it will be easier to you and you will be free to speak in English, to write freehand. But if you don't practice, never possible to speak, never possible to write. I have written this very nice. I am reading this. My mother gets up at 6 a.m. You know what is the a.m.? And gets up means rise up. I will teach you this in English. My mom am 6 at fixed time, at for fixed time at, or gets up means rise up. Then she goes to the bathroom. She goes to the bathroom. Goes, yes, it has been for third person singular. Get, with get, there is a s for third person singular. If you read this, then you will understand properly. Then she goes to the bathroom. By going to the bathroom, she uses the bathroom and washes her hands and face. By going to the bathroom, she uses the bathroom and washes. It has been yes for third person singular. Washes her hands and face. You have to read 2 or 3 times each sentence. After that, she makes ablution and says Fajr prayer. After that, she makes ablution and says Fajr prayer. Thereafter, then after that, thereafter are same meaning. Same meaning, you have to understand this. She takes, thereafter she takes a glass of tea. Thereafter she takes a glass of water, sorry. By taking water, she goes to the morning walk. By taking water, she goes to the morning walk. There, she walks for some time. There she walks for some time. Then she comes back at home. Then she comes back at home. After coming back at home, then she takes bath and says her maid to cook breakfast. Maid to make breakfast. Then she takes bath and says her maid to take breakfast. When finished the breakfast, she serves breakfast all. She also takes breakfast together. She also takes breakfast together. When finished the breakfast, she serves breakfast all. She also takes breakfast together. Thereafter, she says her maid to sweep the floor. And she wears the clothes for washing. For means preposition. Wash means verb. For preposition, it has been finishing. It has been washing. In the mean, she arranges some vegetables, fishes, and sometimes fleshes. In the meantime, she arranges some vegetables, fish, and sometimes fleshes. After that, she starts to cook and maid helps her. After that, she starts to cook and maid helps her. Maid is third person singular. For this reason, help has been helps. By finishing cook, she says her maid to wash utensils. By finishing cook, she says her maid to wash utensils. Then my mom goes to bathroom for taking bath. Then my mom goes to bathroom for taking bath. She takes some time to take shower. She takes some time to take shower. Thereafter, she gets out from fresh room and uses some lotions. Thereafter, she gets out from fresh room and uses some lotions. Almost at 1:30 p.m., all come to take lunch. Almost 1:30 p.m. all come to take lunch. The maid serves lunch all and she waits for finishing lunch. The maid serves lunch all and she waits for finishing lunch. After that, she takes lunch and tidies the table. Means maid takes lunch and tidies the table. Then my mom goes to take rest and she takes rest an hour. Then my mom goes to take rest and she takes rest for an hour. After getting up, she calls her maid to make snacks and tea. After getting up, she calls her maid to make snacks and tea. Her maid makes snacks and tea and she serves all snacks and tea. When it is the time of Asr prayer, my mom prays Asr prayer. Thereafter she goes to her friend's house. There she gossips with her friends. By gossiping, she comes back at home. Or after gossiping, she comes back at home. When my papa comes, she serves my papa some snacks and tea. When my papa comes, she serves my papa some snacks and tea. My papa takes snacks and tea, then he watches TV. My papa takes snacks and tea, then he watches TV. After watching TV, he goes to washroom to take fresh. After watching TV, she goes to washroom to take fresh. After finishing shower, she sits on the dinner. She sits to take dinner. My mom serves his dinner. Also, she takes dinner together. Thereafter, my mom and my papa gossips each other. Then they go to sleep. This is the daily routine of your mother. If you read this properly, you will be able to say, you will be able to write. Okay, up to this today. Allah Hafiz.